All right, so let's talk about AI niches. To be honest, you guys, everyone says you need to pick a niche to grow on YouTube, but no one actually tells you how to pick one. They just say like pick a niche, stick to it, be consistent, like these type of things, blah blah. But let me tell you guys, the truth is most people pick a niche that they've seen others doing. Like they've seen a lot on YouTube. Like they either end up picking up gaming, AI tutorials, maybe even faceless channels, and they start making videos on that, and after some time nothing happens. They get no views, no traction, no nothing whatsoever. So in all that process, what's going wrong? What is that mistake that every person is doing and they're getting no traction? Let me explain that to you guys. So the problem here isn't just a niche, it's basically that content that doesn't stand out in 2025, because now AI has evolved so much that you have to create something that makes people stop. Like, let me explain you how. When you're scrolling and suddenly a video hits you, like, wait, what am I even watching? Like, that's where it's gonna grab most of the people's attention. Now, imagine this. You're watching a video where Messi and Ronaldo are not playing against each other, but they're actually hanging out, laughing, maybe even playing chess together. Or you can say Harry Potter and his enemy just walking through a mall, shopping, completely chill, like that kind of unexpected weird stuff. That right there, people can't help but watch all of that. And that's what where I realized the niche isn't just the topic, it's that angle, it's that way of your thinking, it's your creativity, that how you can make that unexpected weird stuff work together, and like just grab the interest, grab the attention of your audience. And once you get that idea locked in, you're gonna start creating videos on that, create unexpected weird brain rot kind of stuff. And that's exactly what I'll be showing you in today's video as well, like how to create that unexpected weird stuff with the help of using AI tools. And you can start uploading that, and believe me guys, if you start doing that right now, you'll get your channel blow up in no time. Just after this video, you need to go ahead and start working on these ideas right now, because they aren't like saturated, right? If you can work on that immediately, you'll get your YouTube blowing up by the end of 2025 in no time, you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, you guys. So the viral AI video with weird reunions could be of any type. You could pick any superhero or any villain and basically, create videos of them. But in today, let's just say we are gonna take Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi, and we're gonna create a weird AI video of both of them, like going outside, just doing certain things, and we're gonna add some sound effects, some background music, and do all of that, you guys, right? So yeah, let's just go ahead and see how we can create videos just like these.
Hi Messi, how are you, my man?
Hey Cristiano, my friend.
Let's go for a walk,
Hey
brother.
Cristiano, my friend.
Wow, this is tasty, Messi.
All right, so first of all, for creating that, you're gonna go to ChatGPT and simply type, the entire story, like whatever idea that is in your mind. So I basically had a conversation with ChatGPT in very clear, like in a very friendly way. So I said, basically, want to go ahead and create a weird viral AI video which will contain Messi and Ronaldo. So Messi and Ronaldo face would be visible, and I will have 4 to 5 shots in one go where Messi and Ronaldo are coming together, like they're standing together with each other. Then they're simply like going outside in the street. Messi would be wearing something funny, and Ronaldo would be wearing some like funny, you can say Muslim dress, and then he will go outside. They will go in a fruit market. Basically, I provided all the story to ChatGPT what I'm looking for, right? So then ChatGPT basically provided me the scenes, like the prompts straight away. So now I have the first scene, Messi and Ronaldo reunite like old friends, and we have the street walk, fruit market chaos, friendship goals, back to normal, right? So yeah, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take all of these prompts, copy them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go to ChatGPT once again and paste all of my prompts over here. And then ChatGPT is gonna provide me with these kind of results. Like, take a look at this. This is the first generation. Then this is our second generation. Then we have the third one. So right now I basically the plus version of ChatGPT. But don't worry if you don't have that. Obviously you can create 3 images with ChatGPT at a time, and then you can obviously go ahead and use some other account to create more and more generations. It's that simple. You can use the free version. So yeah, and now once all of my images are done, so initially I'm just just telling you the idea how you can create, very chaotic, weird, like reunion videos just like these, which will obviously contain your own niche. So then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and simply download all of these one by one. And then our next step is we need to go ahead and animate all of these images, like convert these images into videos. So for that, we're gonna use any AI video generator. You can use like, Runway, Halo AI, anything you like, but I'm gonna go ahead and do DZine because it basically provides one of the best animations for your images. Like it is, according to me, the best AI image to video generator, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and go to AI tools in DZine.ai, and then I'm gonna jump into image to video section right over here. All right, and then it's gonna direct me to this interface where I will select AI video, and then I have my AI videos section right over here. So yeah, mind you guys, DZine.ai isn't free, like you have to buy the subscription. I have the standard subscription of that. But if you want me to tell you the free like alternatives of that same video, how you can create the same video with free tools, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and do the video for that as well. All right, so after we are in the AI video generator, we're gonna simply go ahead and drop all the images that we created with a ChatGPT just now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do with the first one, drop it in the canvas right over here. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and provide in my prompt like Messi and Ronaldo hugging and laughing. Okay, this would be my prompt. Oh, you have to provide very simple prompt. No need to provide like so much information. Then we're gonna choose our model. So yeah, I suggest you choose this Kling 2.1 standard because it's gonna provide you the most smoothest animation. You won't see any deformation, any like distortion in the video. Then we're gonna select the duration as 5 seconds because I think 5 seconds are enough. I don't want to go ahead and make every scene boring by making it way too long. Then I'm gonna go ahead and generate this. Okay, so once it's generated, here is the result. Like, take a look at this, you guys. So yeah, that looks absolutely perfect. It has basically kept our faces consistent. Messi is looking as Messi and Ronaldo. Yeah, like the faces are consistent. And let's just say after creating few generations, like in this one, the faces aren't that consistent. So don't worry because you guys probably have seen so many AI videos where the faces get a bit weird, but people don't mind it because they know that it is AI generated. All what you need to do is you need to go ahead and come up with a script, like come up with the scenes, the images, the prompts that are really, really unique. It all depends on your imagination. You can go ahead and provide as unique scenes, as funny scenes as you want. Because in this video, I'm not go ahead and trying to create some funny scenes. I'm just showing you how you can create that. Rest, it all depends on your creativity, you guys, right? So yeah, once all of your videos are done, I'm gonna simply go ahead and download all of them one by one. All right, so then once everything is downloaded, I have all of my scenes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and jump into Filmora, or you can jump into any video editor. I'm gonna draw all of my scenes right over here. And then if you guys are asking how I added Cristiano Ronaldo voice or Messi's voice, so that is really, really simple as well. I'm gonna go ahead and go to Google and simply type over here like Ronaldo voice AI. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna go to this website FineShare. So you can basically generate pre-cloned Cristiano Ronaldo voice for free. You can create up to 250 characters, which are like quite enough. So let's just say I type over here like, hi Messi, how are you doing? And simply click on generate. So it's gonna take a bit of time and it's totally free, you guys. You can generate like up to 250 characters for free with Ronaldo voice. So this is what it's gonna provide me. Like, take a look at this.
Hey Messi, how are you doing?
Yeah, so that is pretty accurate, right? And similarly for the Messi voice, I'm gonna type Messi voice AI and go to FineShare.com once again. And let's just say I type, hi Ronaldo, how are you? And click on generate. And for that, again, it's gonna provide me with this voice. Like, hear this out.
Hey Ronaldo, how are you?
So yeah, that is pretty accurate as well. So you can generate as many voices as you want with that. And once it's generated, you can download it from this download button very easily. And then simply need to go ahead and drop all of your voices that you can generate right over here. Just simply upload some background music to that, as well as I've uploaded like, the monkey spinning background music, which is really like, the classic one, right? Then after everything is done, need to go ahead and simply paste your scenes over here and then click on export. And after everything is done, this is how your video is going to look like.
Hi Messi, how are you, my
Hey
man?
Cristiano, my friend.
Let's go for a walk,
Hey
brother.
Cristiano, my friend.
Wow, this is tasty, Messi's.
So So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was, the easiest method to create those weird reunion like superhero villains, or you can say two rival footballers, or any idea that you have in your mind and that is unique. Let's just say you are interested in like soccer players, basketball players, like musicians. You are interested in some celebrities which are like fighting with each other. So you can pick both of them, reunite them, and basically get the most out of it. That's easy how it is. Just depends on all your creativity, and you have to basically pick both of them together with the help of AI, make them do some weird scenes so that people like see them and they're like, what's happening? So yeah, that was basically my idea after doing so much research. So this is what I came up with, and I hope this works for you guys, because I've been trying to make AI videos and trying to make them work for a long time, and this is what I think is gonna work the best. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.